Welcome to Financial Lessons I Should Have Learned in School, Taxes. I get tax clients all the time who have questions, and to my dismay, many have never had their questions answered. I take pleasure in explaining concepts in a simple way so that anyone can understand. And I also take pleasure in helping others improve their financial situation and grow more confident in how they handle money. This course is not an exhaustive list of tax rules, rather an introduction and explanation of the most common portions of tax law, things you need to know to not owe the IRS and be successful at managing your taxes. For our purposes, we will focus primarily on individual taxes or taxes each person is responsible for. So, what are taxes and why must we pay them? Taxes are a financial charge imposed on citizens by a government organization to help fund government spending and public expenditures, such as building bridges, repairing roads, and funding our schools. Paying taxes is our civic duty and funds our federal, state, and local governments. Here in the United States, if you meet certain circumstances, you don't have to pay or file a tax return. There are certain income thresholds by filing status, age, etc., that would exempt you from having to file a tax return. But these change year over year, so you will need to stay current on what those thresholds are and what the circumstances are in order to avoid having to file a tax return. Throughout this course, I may reference different information. Your first resource for all things tax is the IRS website or irs.gov. There are complete resources on this site that covers every tax topic for both individuals and businesses. I'm also including attachments in this course that will help reinforce the topics we discuss, and these are available for download. So, in summary, taxes are our civic duty and help fund our federal, state, and local governments. The next video will be our first mini lesson, and it will take a quick look at dependent categories before we get into some of our more involved topics or lessons in this particular course.